Hi, I'm Mark Jeeves, Director of Sales and Marketing for ColorLogic, and today I'd like to show you some files that we've had printed by Xeikon over in Europe and sent to us. These are nice labels for energy, and look at the embellishments that have been done here. So this is using the Xeikon engine with the white plus CMYK on a metallic stock, and the ColorLogic embellishments are being done, and you can see some great effects. And the nice thing obviously about digital is you can have multiple SKUs being printed at the same time. And I really want to thank Xeikon for producing these. They got a great product. The nice thing too is, remember, this is a silver substrate here, and we're able to produce 250 metallic colors. So that's why we've been able to do some multiple SKUs here, of which we can do gold. And the real skill of ColorLogic is how we add the embellishments in the background. So again, I want to thank our friends over there, and the last one is Coconut, of course, over at Xeikon for producing and sending me these. They turned out really nice.